you're experiencing issues with PUBG multiplayer not working, follow these steps to troubleshoot and optimize your gaming experience. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official PUBG website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues or maintenance. Sometimes, the problem may not be on your end, but rather with the game servers. Step 2. Update the game. Ensure that your game is updated to the latest version. Go to your gaming platform store or launcher and check for any available updates for PUBG. Keeping the game updated can resolve many connectivity issues. Step 3. Verify internet connection. Test your internet connection to ensure it is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online services. If your connection is slow or unstable, consider resetting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 4. Adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes, firewalls or antivirus programs can block the game from connecting to the servers. Check your firewall settings and add PUBG as an exception. Similarly, ensure that your antivirus is not interfering with the game. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling PUBG. This can resolve any corrupted files or settings that may be causing the multiplayer feature to malfunction. By following these steps, you should be able to optimize your PUBG multiplayer experience. If issues persist, consider reaching out to PUBG support for further assistance.